Okay. Remote controlled paper aeroplane. Let's go. So this is basically a little kit that will turn any paper aeroplane into a remote controlled aeroplane. Oh man, I can tell already that this is going to be a good one.
Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
I remember back in school, we had this challenge. You had to build a paper aeroplane, and whoever made the paper aeroplane that would go the furthest, they won the game, basically. And we all made paper aeroplanes, and we went out to the field, the sports field, and we all threw up paper aeroplanes. And there was this one kid who had a paper aeroplane that just went so far. It went like twice as far as anyone else's aeroplane. And for that day, that kid was like the coolest kid in school. So Brian, if you're watching this one's for you, okay? So here's what you get in the box. You get the little power remote control module itself, which looks really good. This is like a carbon fiber strut, it looks like. 2 little propellers. We've got some spare propellers, a cable. That looks like models to fold up and turn into aeroplanes, and some literature, and a little card. That's it. So I'll let you on a little secret. I just bloody love a paper aeroplane. Bloody love a paper aeroplane. Oh man, this is going to be so cool. I can tell already. So the idea with this video is we're going to build a paper aeroplane. We're going to go fly it. Serious business. Well, I hope that's okay. I've overlapped one side a little bit more than the other. Hope that's not going to be a problem. Yeah, it'll probably be alright. This is why I don't design planes. Okay, this looks alright. Well, that's wonky. Alright, the engine's going in. Is that okay? Not really sure, to be honest. It's looking okay. It's not 100% symmetrical. That's the only that's the only thing. I suspect that is going to have an effect. I guess the beauty of this is even if the main flight is maiden flight is a complete disaster, you can always build another aeroplane, can't you? This is looking good. This is, honestly, I'm feeling reasonably confident that this is going to fly. This is going to fly quite well. So cool. We've just made an aeroplane. Nice. Whoosh. To be honest, this feels like it would fly quite a long way just on its own, even without the motor. Just putting this kind of strut, just putting this strut in the middle, has really strengthened up the whole thing. Yeah, I'm confident that this is gonna fly. Doesn't this look like it would fly perfectly? This is so cool. Let me tell you that obviously quite a lot of thought has gone into this product. This was apparently a Kickstarter. Great idea, really, really cool. This is one of those few actually really cool things that I've kind of found out about that have been involved in Kickstarter. I'm usually quite dubious about the whole thing, but this is sweet. This is really, really cool. Okay, that was easy. Nice, 100% fuel. Oh, fine. 100% fuel. Oh man, this is so good.
Cleared for takeoff.
No way. Oh man, this is going to be so good. Okay, let's go fly it.
This video was brought to you by DeadeyeClub.com, makers of the Wishbone EDC slingshot. Head over there now and consider picking up their $100 Mischief kit, which includes everything you need to start shooting a slingshot. The Wishbone itself, 3 replacement band sets, and some ammo. It's the most fun you can have for $100 and you'll be supporting the channel.